Unleashing the power of the passive, unknown and unimportant doers. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the world of the passive voice. Specifically, we're focusing on the passive voice in the present continuous tense, and even more specifically, on situations where the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Let's dive in. To understand our topic better, let's first recall what the passive voice is. In the passive voice, the focus is on the action, not who is doing it. The doer might be unknown, unimportant, or simply not mentioned. For example, in "the cake is being eaten," the important thing is the action of eating the cake, not who is eating it. Now, let's move on to the passive voice in the present continuous tense. This form is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around now, in a passive structure. It's formed with is, are, am, plus being plus past participle. For instance, the book is being read, or the songs are being sung. Our focus in this video is using the passive voice in the present continuous tense when the doer is unknown or unimportant. In many situations, we don't know, or it doesn't matter, who is performing the action. For instance, my car is being repaired. We don't know who specifically is repairing the car, and it's not really important. What matters is that the car is in the process of repair. Let's practice this concept. I'll give you a sentence in the active voice, and you convert it to the passive voice in the present continuous tense. Here we go. 1. Someone is cleaning the room. The room is being cleaned. 2. People are using the machines a lot. The machines are being used a lot. 3. Someone is painting the walls. The walls are being painted. Don't worry if you didn't get all of them right at first. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Remember, using the passive voice effectively can make your English sound more fluent and natural. So don't forget to practice what we've learned today, especially when the doer is unknown or unimportant. We hope this video was helpful. See you in our next lesson.